Hi, and welcome to this short instructional video. Today we are going to have a look at the Universe Pages CMS. Universe Pages enables you to create, edit, and share content easily. You can make all kinds of different pages, ranging from your typical HR pages to project or team-specific sites. Let's have a quick look at the Human Resources page. As you can see, there are many different kinds of elements on the page: text, images, and channel discussions, for example. These are all widgets, or what you could call the building blocks of pages. By mixing and matching widgets in different rows, you can start to create the layout and structure for your page. Other things that you can see on the page are the hero image, the page title, and the different subpages that have been created under this page. We'll cover all of these when we start building a new set of pages, or what we refer to as a collection. To begin creating, we first need to go into edit mode, which can be done by clicking the edit icon at the bottom of your page's navigation. To create a new page, click New Pages. First, write a title for your page, so for example, Team Marketing. Then write a description for the page, and choose the hashtags. Next, you can choose what kind of layout you want for your pages. The layout you choose will be the same for all of the pages in your collection. You can choose whether or not you want a hero image and whether you want the collection navigation to be at the top or the center of the page. For this collection, we'll choose Adaptive plus Hero and press Create. Now we can add a hero image by going to the icon at the top left of the page. And we can also add a page title. It doesn't need to be the same as the title we chose earlier. Let's save our changes by clicking the Save button at the right corner of our page. Notice that whenever you have unsaved changes made in your page, there's a blue parameter around the Save button. Remember to save frequently. As mentioned, pages are made up of different rows and widgets. So to start filling out our page, let's add our first row. There are many row layouts to choose from, and you can easily change the layout later on. So feel free to play around with how many and what size widgets you want to have in your row. Let's start with a half-half row. For the first widget, we can add some text. Simply click Select Widget and choose the text widget. To get the rich text editor view, paint the text. Let's change the format of the first sentence to heading 1 and add some color. To change the font of the text or make other changes that affect the whole collection, click the three dots in the right corner of your page. Go to Settings and then to Styles. From here you can choose fonts for different formats of text, such as headers, links, and body text. Notice that from the Styles section, you can also edit the other parts of your collection, such as the hero and navigation. Take some time to click around the Styles section. From here you can edit parts of your page down to the pixel level, and if you want to discard the changes in the end, just exit the settings without saving. So let's add a background color. There we go. Now let's add another widget to our page. Selecting a discussion feed means you'll add one of your channel discussions to your page. It's a great way to make your page interactive and link channels and pages together. Click Select a Discussion and choose the channel discussion you want to add. For this page, we'll add the Ideas and Innovations discussion so that all the marketing team members can see what kind of ideas their colleagues have posted and react to them. To edit the widget, click the Settings icon. Here you can change the form your widget takes. Let's change this widget to a carousel by clicking on List Type and then Carousel. You can also add a heading to your widget from the settings. Let's add Ideas and Innovations as a header here. Now our first row is ready. Make sure to have a look at all the different widgets you can add to your page. You can embed anything from your Google environment, such as Sheets, Forms, and Docs, or add an iframe, for example. Your page can also have subpages. To create a subpage, click the three dots again. Choose Add Page, and then again add the basic information about your page. So let's make a subpage titled Brand Guide. The page will appear in your navigation next to the marketing page. Finally, let's take a look at how to manage rights on your page. Go to Settings and click Manage Rights. Here you can choose who can view and edit your collection. Let's say I need Michelle to add some information to my page. In order for her to be able to do that, I need to give her editor rights. If this page is public, I can also choose to share it directly to everyone in the organization. Let's save our draft for now and exit the edit mode. We can find our page from the navigation bar here in the left side of the screen, and by clicking the arrow, you'll get a view of the subpages as well. When you want to continue editing your page, you can just go back to edit mode, and when you're done, you can publish it to your viewers by clicking publish. That's it for now. If you have any questions about Pages or Universe in general, don't hesitate to ask. Happy page creating!